ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. La ilaha illallah Sayyidina Muhammad Rasulullah. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. Eh, God help me. Now hang it, don't hang. They don't suspend, it don't near. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. Eh, God help me. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. Eh, God help you na quit. Eh, this na quarantine business this. Na coffee order this. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. La ilaha illallah Sayyidina Muhammad Rasulullah.
Hello.
Eh, God guide and protect, recover we.
How they do inside?
Ask her if you don't know what they pop.
You don't know what they happen now. The cloud now ends up. If you see people right now, me already take care right now. John don't turn over and create a bit.
Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah.
Yeah, you know now.
Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah Sayyidina Muhammad Rasulullah.
Yeah. Now you know man, no if you go able to see.
La ilaha illallah.
You people any day Allah. All man no candle.
Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. What do you think? La ilaha illallah. Inesia inside the phone. Inesia now.
I don't know if it is.
Inesia. Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah. Hey, God help you.
People
God help you. God help we.
I don't know it's the God.
Wait, don't turn on my God help we.
Be careful when they say, oh, better not tell you come on a door.
Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. Eh, God help we.
Be careful.
Wait, God guide and protect we. God cover we. All the man in country. God oh we. God help we. God take control. Quit don't turn by. We don't know what's happened. God oh we people there. We people there more we. God guide and protect you. Now see this sky no more now. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. La ilaha illallah Sayyidina Muhammad Rasulullah.